What is the one thing that we all want out of our lives? Freedom. Freedom with our time, freedom with our money, freedom to work when we want, where we want, and with who we want. And you might not know it, but there is a simple online business that you can start that can get you that freedom in the next 30 to 60 days. Instead of building a brick and mortar business where you have to be there 40 to 80 hours a week, or becoming a freelancer where you're dealing with upset clients who think you're not working hard enough, or launching an e-commerce store that requires a ton of upfront costs to manufacture products and need constant attention dealing with things like inventory and customer support. This simple online business requires no upfront investment and can be automated, which literally means you can make money while you sleep or while you're on vacation. So what is it? It's a simple online course where you teach people about something that you love. A simple course like this one can make $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000 a month in pure profit without any previous experience. This simple business is so powerful because it takes advantage of two massive trends. Number one, people are looking for alternative ways to learn new skills. A college degree today is 5 times more expensive and 10 times less valuable than it was 10 years ago. And number two, with everyone working from home, people are spending 5 times more time online today, and we're all looking for new ways to learn things without needing to drive somewhere. Take a look at my first course. I took a passion of mine, the sport of baseball, and made 10 quick videos showing a few tips I learned when I used to play, and that course made me $3,492 a month. I created the videos once, and people paid me around the clock to get access to them. Later, I created a simple tool called SamCart that automated the entire process for me so that I could set everything up once and never touch it again. And SamCart is now used by over 23,000 people just like you. People like Judah Paula, who sells a course about designing a beautiful home, Kara Stein, who teaches people how to write a best-selling book, and Hunter Masters, who teaches guys how to dance with their wife or girlfriend. On average, these courses bring in between $4,000 and $5,000 a month, but hundreds of them have surpassed the $100,000 per month level and beyond. And the crazy part is, none of these people thought they were qualified to teach anyone anything at the beginning. But they discovered my one-step rule that can turn you into an expert even if you don't think you're qualified to teach someone else. Because of all these success stories, we've been featured in dozens of top publications, and I've spoken in front of thousands of people on this topic. The truth is, anyone can do this. If you have something you enjoy doing, I'll show you how to turn that passion into a passive revenue stream. And the time to act is now. With these two massive trends in full swing, the demand for this business is higher than it's ever been, and most people haven't caught on yet. You can literally be up and running in as little as 30 days, and I want to hand you the exact blueprint to make it happen. If you're serious about this, and you're done hoping for your 2% raise at work, or you refuse to wait until retirement to live the life you want, just click the button below and jump into this free workshop where I'll break down the simple 4-step process to building your own course business from scratch in the next 30 days. This process is so simple that the workshop is only 45 minutes long. But if you've made it this far in this video, you're most likely one of the few people who are really serious about this, which means taking 45 minutes out of your day to potentially change your life forever is a no-brainer. So if you're still with me, just click the button below this video and join me on this free workshop. I'll see you there.